Today I'm making Jello in a jar. So first I have a can of pears, a can of peaches, a little jar of cherries, and I put them in little mason jars. I have 5 mason jars that I filled with the fruit halfway. And we need 2 boxes of Jello, any flavor that you like. You can use any fruit that you like. This is, like I said, pears, peaches, and cherries. You can put apricot in it, blackberries, raspberries, whatever you want. But that's half full of the fruit. Then we have 2 cups of water getting ready to boil here. We're going to add our 2 packets of Jello. You want it to dissolve in the hot water. Got to stir it till it dissolves all the way. Again, that's 2 boxes of Jello, 2 cups of water. This usually takes about 2 minutes for it all to dissolve. Looks like all the sugar has dissolved. So you want to turn the heat off. Just 1 cup of cold water. Okay. Then we're going to stir that in. Okay, what I'm going to do is take a ladle full of the Jello, put it in the jar. Want to fill it up. It's almost to the top. Then take a fork and work it down the sides so the Jello goes all the way down to the bottom. And you want about that much room in case when it's all done and you go to serve it, they want a little bit of Cool Whip on top. So there is your Jello in a jar. I'm going to fill the rest of them up. Now that we have all 5 of our jars filled, we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Put the lids on. Put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours till it sets up. Then it'll be ready to eat. What's nice about this, everybody has an individual serving. It's already ready to go. That way you can make it ahead of time. If you need a dessert for Thanksgiving, you can make it ahead of time, a couple days. After the Jello's been in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, it's all set up and ready to eat. Hope you like my Jello in a jar. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, enjoy your Jello.